Hello from Fairshare IT Services. It is so difficult to get customers to visit your website. Now, when the potential customers visit your website, you should do your best to make sure that they don't go away from your website without giving you business. They convert, right? So converting those leads is a very, very important things and needs to be taken seriously. In the last video, I showed you how to implement the chat feature so that it makes it very convenient for users to chat with your backend team. And since it is convenient, there is a high chance that they will engage with your backend support and you can convert them into lead. Now there is also another subtle thing that you can use your potential customer so that they can subscribe, or they can give you the email address before they leave your website. Now just watch what we have done on the fairshare.tech website. So let's imagine that customer is currently reading the business card, digital business card related service that we provide. So the customer is scrolling down, he looks at the sample digital business cards, and then like at certain point of time the customer decides that he wants to go to a new tab and do something. So when a customer goes to the new tab, there are chances that the customer is not going to Fairshare site, but the customer is going to open another website, potentially a competitor's website, by searching on the Google or something. So before he leaves, we want to make sure that he gives us something. Now how do I do that? I mean, how does it look from the customer's point of view? Let's imagine, right? Just monitor my cursor. What I'm doing right now is trying to open the new tab. See, immediately after I move to the new tab, what happened is our website, fairshare.tech website, gave one more chance to the user and to us, of course, indirectly, to grow your business for free. We publish useful information that helps you to grow business for free. Now, after reading this, there is a small chance that the customer might get interested in this. He will click on subscribe now, and then after that, the customer will give email address and then click on the subscribe now button. Now, once they click on the subscribe now button, we have their email address, and that is a very important thing. So we can take that email address and put it on the HubSpot contact list, and then next time when we write a marketing email, this customer will also get that email, and that increases a chance that this visitor will become our potential customer. Thank you very much. Bye.